What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Welcome to another vlog. My name is Greg. If you're just joining us, welcome, guys. Really appreciate you supporting us, subscribing to the channel, and always looking out for us. Today we're gonna talk about this white car here. We're gonna do some upgrades on the turbo. It's currently stock right now, so we're gonna put on a bigger turbo. It was dyno tuned by Chris Carby, slowpoke tuning. So big up Chris Carby, and it made like the 400. So we want to put on a bigger turbo and see if we can get it up to probably 600. So that's the plan for this car right now. So I have the turbo. I'm gonna start it probably this week, yeah, because I don't have much to do in terms of work-wise, so I'll get that done. So just giving you guys an update. So let's go ahead and start working on this car as soon as possible. Yeah. So guys, here we go. Just started. Kind of had to put some WD-40 on the bolts for this one because it's a stock turbo, and this is the turbo that we're going with. It's an AMS. It's like a 3071 Garrett, basically. But you guys, so really nice turbo. This turbo can make up to 600 horsepower. Just putting on this on the car. No cams, nothing like that. I'll just put this on the car. So this is what we're doing right now. So I'm gonna start. Well, I started already. I start pulling out, stuff around. But as I said, I had to spray some WD-40 to make this, go on soak for a bit. So when I get the turbo out, guys, I'll get back to you guys. Morning, guys. So it's the next day. I left the bolts, the nuts and the bolts and the evo to soak with the WD-40 yesterday, so because it was a bit tight. So now I'm back here in the garage, gonna get some tools and then finish taking off that turbo so we can put on the new turbo on the car. So let's get right to it, guys. I'm using my my Ray-Ban glasses, sunglasses. It's so helpful. So now I can actually talk to you guys and work, which is good. So that's what we're doing right now. Beautiful day. So this is where we're at right now. So we have the downpipe to pull these bolts here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be 5, but I think it's 4. Yeah, it's 4. Okay, so let's get right to that. So get off the turbo and then I'll get back to you guys again. So guys, ready to take off the exhaust manifold. And my simple way is pulling all these four bolts and then pulling the arm bolts that hold the manifold onto the head. So just after that, we just lift this up. Simple as that. And then I already pulled the downpipe already. So just the turbo. Pull the drain line right there, and I pull the oil feed, and I normally take the turbo come this side, so I'm about to do that now, and then the turbo is out. I've done so much of these, guys. It's become like I'd say a hobby. Yeah, become like a hobby. All right, get that out. Make sure the line is not touching anything. All right, after you clear the oil feed line, then it just comes up. Take off these hoses. There you have your turbo. There's your turbo, guys. Easy peasy. So these are the two turbos. This is the stock one, and this is the Garrett one. As you can see, you know, look how big that wheel is, guys. And then we come back to here. Let me get this thing off and show you the difference. So guys, you see the wheel in this one? And look at the wheel in this one. See the difference? And this is the billet wheel. So, big boy. Alright, so we're gonna, the only thing I need to take off the stock turbo is this return here, this one, and then put it on this, and then we're good to go. So let's do that right now. So we're gonna replace this stock manifold, exhaust manifold, with this. Let's open this and see. Big up MAP performance, MAP performance, sorry. So this is the cast iron manifold that they sell. Ooh, looks nice. Look at this, guys. So nice. Ooh, wow, look at this. Very nice, guys. So this is gonna replace this one. You can see. Yeah. So these tend to crack, and of course this flows better. Should come with, yep. So all the hardware comes with. So we're good to go, guys. I'm trying to finish this car, and let me tell you, the sun is no joke, yo. This sun, this heat, this humidity right now, I can't deal with it. I'm gonna put that on pause for a minute. So I'll probably come back further down in the week or something and finish this car. But I had to run out, man. I had to just run out of the sun, and I can't deal with it. Like, trust me, guys. When I tell you it's hot, it's super hot. So what I have left to do is just to drop in the turbo and then button up and then drive. So, but no, sir, we can't deal with that. Yeah. So yeah, whenever I decide to go back on that sometime next week or something, guys, I'll show you a video with that, finishing up on something. But yeah, no, I can't deal with the heater. We have, I'm supposed to be racing the Evo soon. The heat again too, it's like it's so hot. It is so hot now. So but we're supposed to have a race coming up with the Evo. Hopefully place will cool down, and I can show you that. It's supposed to be against a 600 and I think it's 700 horsepower EK Civic K series fully built. So they're making 700 and something. So that should be fun. Judgment outside, guys. Gonna drive the Type R this week. I haven't driven this in like probably 3 months, so I'm gonna drive it this week. Oh, tell me also, guys, tell me what you guys think about the new Type R. Yeah, so the new Type R, come on, everybody doing video on it and thing. Wait, tell me what you guys think. I love mine. I'm not interested in getting a new one. Love my car, so. But just giving you guys an update. Yeah, it was almost done, but no, not today. So thanks for watching, guys, and look out for the next video coming soon. And remember, guys, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for supporting us as always, and just continue to show your support. Alright, guys, until the next video.